Welcome to ITPK. In today's video, we are going to explore exciting topic how to use ChatGPT on WhatsApp. Whether you are looking to enhance your conversations, get instant answers, or simply have fun chatting, ChatGPT can be more fantastic tool. Before proceeding, please make sure you have like and subscribe ITPK. So let's go ahead and dive in. First, let's talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It can understand and generate human-like text, making it perfect for engaging conversations. Now imagine having this power tool right in your WhatsApp chat. Sounds great. To get started, you will need to follow few simple steps. First, ensure you have WhatsApp installed on your smartphone. So now let's go ahead and see an action. Please go ahead and open WhatsApp, and in WhatsApp we have to start the new chat here. Once we go to new chat, here we have to go to new contact. In the new contact we have to name chat GPT here. So let's ignore the last name, that is optional, and here you have to select the country United States. Once you have selected United States, here please enter 80024288478. Now I can see this person is on WhatsApp. Let's go ahead and save this number in our mobile. So now let's refresh the contacts, and then I want to go ahead and I want to chat with Chat GPT on WhatsApp. Perfect. Let's go ahead and send first message to Chat GPT. Hello. You are messaging ChatGPT, an AI assistant. By continuing, you agree to our terms and have read our privacy policy at openai.com. Conversations may be reviewed for safety. Hello, how can I assist today? Now that you have ChatGPT set up on WhatsApp, remember ChatGPT is designed to assist you, so feel free to experiment with different types of queries. You can ask for advice, get summaries of articles, or even request jokes to lighten your mood. The possibilities are endless. One important tip: while ChatGPT is powerful, it's not perfect. Always double check critical information and use your judgment when interpreting its responses. So let's go ahead and ask our one last quick question from ChatGPT. What can I use ChatGPT for? Now I got the perfect answer. ChatGPT is a versatile tool and I can use it from all these different purposes, and ChatGPT is answering me perfectly. So that's it. You are now ready to use ChatGPT on WhatsApp. Enjoy your conversation and let your creativity flow. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy chatting with ChatGPT on WhatsApp. Bye.